What up, what up, what up? Yo, 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 yo. I don't know what the heck just happened. My computer literally just died. Computer said, nope. I'm just going to go ahead and crash out real quick. Didn't stand a chance. I don't know what that was, but we're back and we're in action, baby. So what's good? What's good? Well, yeah, I don't know what happened. My computer literally just crashed out. Had a spaz attack. Not sure what that was all about. I'm not so sure what that was all about. Was good, was good. Rise and grind, rise and shine, baby. DOD time. How about my Nuggets last night? Let's go. How about my Nuggies? How about them Nuggets? Let's get this started. All right. All right. Good morning. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. I did go to the game yesterday. Whoops. All right. Check, check. All right. Was good, everybody? What's up, guys? Top of the hour. Let's get our good old indicator up. Labels, okay. Point of control, car parking low, and VWAP. All right. I seen we had NVIDIA taking a bit of a tumble. Pre-market. Was good, everybody? Was good, was good, was good. Was good, was good, was good. I don't know what happened to my live stream before. It just died. It just plopped over and died. Whole computer shut off. Not sure what was going on, but we're back now, baby. We're back in action now. How's everyone's morning been? What's up, bro? Good morning. Top of the day, top of the hour. How about the Nuggets last night? Granted, the Wolves are missing two of their starters. It was still nice to go and see a win, baby. That was a great game. It was a great game to go to. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video that I posted. I've seen a lot of positive feedback. I've seen a lot of very positive feedback. Now you can implement it as soon as today. I did take another trade yesterday. I sure did. I took a banger in Power Hour yesterday. Like 30 points. For Power Hour, it was good. For Power Hour, we'll take it. Power Hour is 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. It's the last hour of New York Open. No. But here's an overview. People were saying Lucid was having tech issues this morning. Oh, it is. Yep. Well, now it's working. Huh. We'll see if their actual portal works. Nuggets finally beat the Wolves bench. Yeah. I mean, it does suck that they're missing Ant. That's no why. You can't dodge that. It sucks. It sucks for the game of basketball. And let's see, 24. He ain't losing to Julius Randle. He better not, bro. Oh, shoot. Gene's here. What's up, bro? How about them Nuggets last night?
I was sleeping.
Oh, yeah. Game went late. I got home at like midnight. I was tired this morning.
I think that was a good idea. But it was a potential last one.
I know.
You had to.
Well, and even, like, let's say we lost game 6. Well, then it would have been the last one at home. So I was happy. I was hyped. Was good, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning. Today for data. We have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. I did go courtside. Yep. I got some last minute tickets, so they were pretty cheap, relatively speaking. I was happy. That was a fun time. And if we win on, what is it, Thursday, we go back. We have game 7 in Denver on Saturday. I think we play again Thursday. Yep, Thursday. How about freaking Spencer Jones last night, though? Dude was out on an absolute tear. Let's see here. Let me tell you hard on Wednesday. So the market went down overnight because of something to do with AI, and I think NVIDIA took a big hit overnight. Oh yeah, look at that. NVIDIA is down from, geez Louise, closed yesterday at 216 down to 209. That'll do it. Yep, oil. I seen UAE was leaving OPEC. I think that was that news. I believe that was that news. All right, everybody, we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes still open. Today is a great day for y'all to trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD. Let's go. War news too. Yo, we caught a nice trade during power hour yesterday. That was great. Yeah, how was, I forgot to ask you how Asia was. Saw you with the Nuggets game last night. That's awesome. Should have came and said, what's up? Should have came and said, what's good? Yeah, we'll see. See how it goes. All right, let's get this. Okay. It's killing me. Yep, I do. I am on you to the tube today, baby. If you're on TT, the TikTok, come tap into the YouTube. Do this every day. Full screen share. We're growing every day because we're finding winning trades. I'm helping you guys learn the right way to trade, helping you with your discipline, helping you with your focus, and helping you with your execution. If I can make a positive impact on your confidence and execution every day, you're going to find profitability much quicker. What the heck? All right. All right. Market's about to open. We are about to open. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is your daily reminder that every single day that you come in and you stay focused and you trade smart and you trade safe and you choose discipline over all of the temptations of cheap, garbage, self-sabotaging dopamine, you make progress in your trading. If you can follow your rules today, lock up your confirmations, lock down your execution, and follow your plan, manage your risk, and stay focused, that is how you become a consistently profitable trader one day at a time. So make it happen. No excuses today. No excuses today. No excuses today. Let's get it. Jeez Louise, what a sell-off candle off the open. Did I catch a good one? I caught 2 good ones yesterday, as a matter of fact. Not just one. 2 good ones. We got pay done in the house. The coffee's going through the system. Got my liver or whatever digest the coffee working. Guys, Lucid is not working right now from what I hear. So just stay patient. What the heck? So weird. Yo, what up? What up, Grizzly Glock? You know, lots of people are having trouble with Lucid right now. So just be patient. They got a great tech team. I'm sure that they will get it figured out. And in the meantime, we don't trade for the first 15, 20 minutes anyway. So we got time. Let the market settle, relax, take a deep breath. Just chill. What's up, bro? It's DOD time, baby. Grizzly, you should be able to unmute. If you can't, then that's a Zoom issue. I don't know. All right, let's see. We're about 5 minutes in. About 5 minutes in. Got our 1 minute and 5 minute chart pulled up. I'd love to catch a nice, big, juicy trend day today. The trades yesterday were good. Caught a winner in power hour, then caught a nice winner after that initial loser yesterday. If we could just get a nice setup in the first hour today, that'd be great. Damn, a week from today, I'll be heading out to the tropics. Be heading out to the tropics a week from today. Low-key pretty excited. As a reminder, too, Mr. Gene, my mentee, will be on my live streams. He's been absolutely killing it with prop firms, and he'll be a nice addition for y'all. It'd be nice to him. Be nice to the Yawn Master. They're going to be nice to you, Yawn Master Gene. Nuggets did cook last night. In the Wolves' defense, they're missing two of their starters and Anthony Edwards. So, I mean, that must be taken into consideration. However, we did cook. It's blocking your view. People keep asking about Lucid. I don't know if you can trade on Lucid right now. I know that people are having trouble with their dashboard right now. Now, they can't, I don't know. This is where a live account comes into handy. Because if prop firms, let's say prop firms disappear overnight, well, guess what? You still have your live account. Ugh. Well, the dashboard isn't working, but your actual trading probably is. Yeah. What's up, man? So it must have changed, because I heard you talking before. Then you said you couldn't unmute. Whole lot of nothing. What about you? Pre-market high is so far away. Wow. I like that. Don't make me start the lava lamp up. I will. I'll do it. Don't get it. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I'll do it. Wait, what do you say? I actually do remember. I remember reading about that, or how they used to be dangerous. I wasn't alive during that time. I was a baby during that time, but I don't care if all the lamps catch on fire. I'll never surrender mine. Reminiscing before the 15-minute range is in. Does anybody remember like the vitamins they used to give us when we was kids, like little hard chewable vitamins, like little animals and stuff? The Fred Flintstones? Yeah. Oh, I remember those. That's hilarious. Don't get me started on the dinosaur oatmeal, man. On the dino meal. Don't get me started on that, bro. Real ones remember the dino eggs. Real ones remember that. Probably so bad for you. So much crap. Daniel said that's the reason we survived COVID was in vitamins. That's funny. Hey, good looks on that. I don't know why my codes weren't on. That's a good reminder to use code Jdun if you want to get an account today. We have a few one-day pass options. We have Lucid with their 50K Pro account. Apex with their 50K Trade-of-8 end-of-day drawdown account. Both of those are great one-day passes. FFF has some great one-day passes. I recommend the Prime. And then Tradeify, the Select is a 3-day pass, but it has daily payouts. So lots of good options. I appreciate y'all using code JDUN and getting yourself funded and paid. Sports me, sports the stream. I do my best to help y'all every single day. To be, this is where I want to be. We got 2 more minutes in this 15-minute range. 2 more minutes in this range, everybody. We'll be good to go. Dos more minutos. Whoops, here we go. Thought we're selling off. What are you talking about? When did I ever say we were going to sell off? Off the first 5 minutes? What? All right, we got our 15-minute range in. Let's get it. 15-minute range is in. Interesting. Our 50% retracement is right around that point of control as well. Jdun. Thank you so much for the video you posted yesterday. Hey, you're welcome. Saw you at the game last night. You should have said hi. Should have came and said what's up. That was a damn good time. That energy in there was great. I'm on U to the tube. I don't know. I don't know if I'd use kick or not. I don't know if I would. I like our U to the tube gang. Great video you made last night. Lots of good info. I appreciate y'all watching that. That's your homework today. If you haven't watched it yet, your homework is to watch that video. You'd really like a big meaty downtrend day today. I would too. I would love a big meaty one today. Big meaty trade. Well, the thing is I don't even monetize my TikTok or mute the tube live streams. I mean, obviously it supports me when you guys subscribe, when you guys watch my other videos, when you guys use code Jdun. Those are all things you can do to support your boy, but I don't have ads on anything. There's no paid ads because that annoys people. I do appreciate y'all using code Jdun though, for sure. Appreciate y'all supporting me. Do my best to help y'all learn, level up, and win. We do this together. Taking your 500 and calling it a day. That's a great day. Yeah, full port longs. No, I don't see anything I like right now. What? Oh, you're watching like the pre-market high for shorts?
I'd like to see it tested, then like maybe close back below Asia low for my entry.
Where's Asia low at?
27,322.
All right, up to like 360 is pre-market low. Pre-market high. Pre-market high, excuse me. Got 2 bangers last night with DOD. Hey, that's awesome. That's great, Kevin. Oh, whoops. There we go. Is the lava lamp on? Nope, maybe it should be. Maybe we should turn the lava lamp on. It's always on the back burner. Status of lava lamp. Well, fine. It's time. She's on now, baby. Let her heat up. Let her cook. That should be bringing a winning trade within the hour. Warm that baby up. Yup. Warm that puppy up. Don't let us cook with the old school lamp. Vibes are up. That is correct. Let's see. Oh, what entry am I waiting on? Well, I'm waiting for an A+ entry. One way or the other, I want some trend. I'm a trend trader. I say when I enter every day, yes. If you're free, I'm always free. That is hilarious. Y'all are ridiculous with these pictures. Absolutely diabolical, my guy. I'd love to see a nice higher low form. I think this actually could be a decent look around this 150, maybe. It's a bit risky. We have room down to like 60. That's the tough part. How would you say my orb strategy works on the Dow? I really only trade the NASDAQ and S&P, I guess, as far as futures go. I've traded gold a little this year. Haven't traded oil hardly at all. We'll see how we react. See how we react down here. And we'll see how we react on here at point of control. I'm not entirely interested, but we'll see. We will see. We will see. We will see. Did us a little dirty on that reject, Grizzly, about 70 points early. Solid sell-off so far. Just a tad bit early. Tad bit. How trading has changed your life? I'm struggling with discipline sometimes. Well, you lock in your discipline and everything changes. You lock in your discipline and your execution increases, your confidence increases, your conviction increases. Your life and your trading just simply gets better when you choose DOD. Just does. I was watching that point of control in this 50% retracement. There was just a lot of risk on this previous candle. So, yeah, it did. It's working so far, but I was watching it and I looked how low that previous candle was, and it was like, Like maybe if we got a strong higher low candle here, I'd look for a long and a retest into this with stops below here. That could be an option. What about you? You see anything you like?
No. Hopefully we get out of this 15-minute range today. I'm just going to hang around it all day.
Just bought Apex with your code. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you guys. Well, let me find you a winning trade, then we can talk about all that other fun stuff. Let me give you a systematic entry. Don't.
Control that's still going.
I know. That was there. I was watching. Just didn't. Had a little too much risk. Little too much risk. Jacob Dunn talking to me. Is that you? No.
Crazy how well respected
Yeah.
control is.
I know it's been a huge addition to my trading.
You sipping on some coffee, Jdun, or you just haven't got your coffee yet?
Oh, I got my coffee.
Mm. 1 minute. All right. 13 seconds. Consumer confidence dropping.
This technically could be a decent setup for a higher low. Me a retest down to like 170, 180 with stops below like 140. Below point of control. We're below 15-minute low. We're below VWAP. Price itself doesn't look bad.
The previous candle was like break even.
For Delta?
Yeah, like 3. Positive 3. So flat.
Let's go check this out. Let's fly like positive 260. Yeah, low-key kind of weak. Low-key weak.
You might be showing different data.
Yeah, I'm using trading views on the 5-minute. It says
The data coming differently.
positive 260 delta. Which for that candle size is still, in comparison to these sell side candles, a little weak. Around 170, I'll look for a potentially look for a long. We'll see how we react down here. That was it. That 170 was it right there. Dang it. Dang it, dang it. Dang it, that one was it. It was quick. It went and touched. Boom. Touch, boom. Boom, touch. Went and touched and then boomed. Dun, 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 dun. That was it. Dang it. At 170. Again, that was it. That's annoying for sure. On the bright side, the bias was right. The 50% retracement is goated per usual. We'll see if there can be any continuation there. But the 50% retracement remains goated. That's a plus at least. It would have just gotten to 1-to-1. I'd rather catch a nice trend move for the day. I mean, as nice as these 30, 40, 50 pointers are, I would love to catch a nice trend move, a nice trend day. I'd like to get out of this 15-minute range too. You know what would be a perfect setup is if we got a nice move above this VWAP and above this 15-minute high right here. If we got a nice move above that with rising volume, I'd love to see us be able to take this up to this like Asia low and pre-market low for longs. That would be great. Man. That was it. Need some volume on this candle. Pick up the volume, get it close above these. I'll try the retest back down for, yeah, I know, I'm annoyed for sure. Not like the other day annoyed, but wow. That was it right there. If we can get a close above this 15-minute high in VWAP, though, we'll look for a retest for a long, too. That's a setup I'd actually prefer a little more. On the bright side, you guys could see from that example, the 50% retracement is goated and remains goated. The 50% retracement with VPA confirmation remains goated until further notice. Yep. Well, on the bright side, if you guys did end up taking that or watching it, you guys, this is a good A+ setup, typically speaking, in terms of when you have a continuation candle when you have point of control or a key level like pre-market high, pre-market low, 15-minute high, 15-minute low. I'd still like to see us close above here. If we can close above here, get a retest back down, I'd love to be able to ride that up. It might be a little more slow ride. Slow ride down, no. That kind of deal. Take it easy down. There's my old heads. Y'all know. Y'all got it like that. Come on, we got 5. We're not gonna get a good close above these levels or with volume. 0 for 2. 0 for 2 on what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a higher close. I also wanted to see higher volume. We did not get either of those things. Did not get either of those things. That would have been a 60-point trade from 170. Bummer. I still like upside. I just want to see a little more confirmation. What if we just drop? Well, that's why you have hard stop set, my bro. It's always possible. You can short and you can go straight up, or you can try to long and go straight down. It happens on occasion, is what it is. That's why you always keep hard stops. Always. Always and forever, hard stops the way. They are the will, they are the way. It's always manage your risk. I don't care how much you win. You can win. You can have so much winning. But if you can't manage your losers, none of the winning will matter. None of it matters. Your discipline will continue to take a hit every single day if you have out of control losers. So that's my goal for y'all, as your mentor, is to help you control those losers and control your emotions and your confidence in the process. Build your confidence up. It really is a game changer. It really is a game changer. If we just trend up slowly with no pullbacks, this is going to be the one that got away. This will be the one that got away if we don't get any confirmations or pullbacks that I like. Appreciate your constant message of DOD. You're welcome. It genuinely helps people change their life. You see anything you like, Mr. Gene? Tim, you were trying to short that whole move up.
Who, me?
You got destroyed.
No.
I'm kidding. Just messing with me.
Almost like we see this week.
What do you say?
It's almost like we have FOMC this week.
Do we?
Yes, tomorrow, right?
Oh, yep. Yeah, we do. We do have FOMC tomorrow. Didn't even realize that.
Pushing up on lowering volume. I hope we get some volume in because I'd really like to push up. This range. Down this 15-minute range.
Yep, missed my one entry I liked. It was just really quick and didn't pull the trigger, and now it's being slow. Need to have some live trading again. Maybe we'll do something on Friday. Think about it. Some in-person live trading at the office. I can't wait till our lease ends at the current office we're at. I'm going to get something absolutely insane. Absolutely bananas. Multiple RV. Now that we've had this move, I don't really feel comfortable with these last two candles. Trying to long this. So we'll see. We'll see what we get. No rush. We still got about an hour and some change. Got a whole lot of 5-minute candles. When we trade at the office, we typically have 10 to 15 people. Why has market been more consolidated and unopen? Just happens sometimes. Maybe this candle gives us some sort of confirmation. Maybe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's see. How does that work with IP addresses? Aren't platform strict with that? It depends. They have some safeguards there for sure. Jdun, I want to say thank you, bro. One of these days, I would love to shake your hand. I would love that too. If you ever see me in person, come say what's up. Unless you're like a serial killer, then please don't. Or just like don't act on your impulses. I used your code at Apex today. Thanks, guys. I appreciate when you guys use code Jdun. Appreciate the support. I do my best to help you guys every day with DOD, with your executions, and help you guys make progress in your trading every day. To be a good reminder and a positive force in your trading. And if you're a serial killer, you need to chill out, all right? Have some DOD, all right? Come on. If you're a serial killer and you want to meet, that's fine. I just request that you choose DOD for the day and you just chill out a little bit. All right? Just relax. Just take it easy. There's no need to be all wound up and grumpy. No need to be all grumpy. Yeah, we want DOD, not DEAD. We don't want dead. We want DOD. Please don't get the two mixed up. It's not a 2-bar to the downside. Why? Because the trend is up. It could be a potential reversal if we would have swept some key levels, but it's not a... The only time I use a quote-unquote 2-bar is if it's a trend move. This is not a trend yet because we're higher than where we opened. Could it be a reversal into this candle? Yes, but it's not a trend entry. What package do I recommend to Apex? I recommend the 50K Tradeovate end of day account. It's 90% off right now. Why taking a trade? I'm not. Unless I see one I like. I probably trade the least of any live streamer, live trader. The most careful. I mean, I don't know of many that only take one trade a day or 2 trades a day. A lot of it's just ripping trades back and forth. So they don't choose DOD. Why are you guys asking my thoughts on all these grown men? My thoughts is that we need to catch a bag today. Thoughts I need to catch a bag and not have my mind focused on other grown men, but focused on getting my bag. My thoughts are that you should do the same, my boy. Welcome to the live. You found a good place to be. First time viewer. Welcome, my guy. Yeah, it's very chill here. We don't focus on drama. We focus on getting a bag every day and choosing DOD. Trading's already hard enough as is. Yeah, the Lucid dashboard is down. I'm in no trades, guys. I'm just waiting. Want to come say hi, Gene? I gotta piss like a racehorse. What's that? I'll be right back.
What's up, guys? No, I'm not in anything. Honestly, all this price action is not good. My YouTube's been messed up. I haven't been trading on YouTube. It's okay. I hit my head so hard yesterday. What's gold doing? Let me look at gold. Gold's kind of just chopping too.
What's up, bro?
Dude, this is terrible.
Dude, look at my freaking toe from the football from soccer yesterday. Cause I Alan, it's purple.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, because I wear size 15 shoes, and I went to Dick's to find cleats, and they only had size 13. So I was like, I wanted to play, so I got size 13 cleats.
Oh, you're crazy.
And I wear size 15. I got freaking jumbo feet. Yeah, my freaking big toenail's about to fall off because I was wearing size 13 soccer cleats yesterday. And I'm usually like my shoe size is size 15. But I wanted to play, and they don't sell size. Like I could have fit into 14s too. I don't mind 14s, but the 13s were just real tight, and so I messed my toe up.
Would you go to Dick's?
For cleats? Yeah, I was at Dick's. I'm 6'7". Yeah, so my big toenail's about to fall off. I would show y'all on the live, but there's some people on here that might be taking some screenshots. And letting these dogs out is not free. We're not letting the dogs out on the stream. The pigs are staying in the hut. The piggies are staying in their den. All right, you stay away from my toes. This ain't Feet Finder. This is Trade Finder. Feet Finder is during power. I'm kidding.
Did you have fun at least?
Oh, dude, I love soccer, bro. Love it. He replied to my story, and you were like, "What?" I'm gonna order some size 15 cleats. I'm gonna order some big cleats. Yeah, being 6'7" and finding clothes is tough. Not an easy thing, but shoes are worse. Like you can't just go and get a pair of cleats. Like I wanted to, so I had to play in 2 sizes too small, and now I have a toenail that's almost for sure gonna fall off of my big toe. It's purple. I look like I should be in the damn league. I got a 6'9" wingspan. Ah! I don't have a purple toe. Well, I would say that I'll prove you wrong, but I know exactly where that's going, and it's not somewhere I want it to go. So you can be right. I'm capping about my purple toe because that gives me a bunch of financial gain and lots of gain emotionally to tell you that my toenail is going to fall off, and it's not. Yeah. Still no trades, guys. You see anything you like, Grizzly?
And I don't see anything yet. You?
Nope. I missed my one entry that I liked, and beyond that, I haven't seen anything that I would take. Just kind of waiting.
I think the market would be much better if we get FOMC out of the way. You get some volume in.
We do have FOMC tomorrow. So funny at the Nuggets game last night. They were chanting, "Jdun sucks. Jdun sucks" for Jaden McDaniels. I was like, damn, it sounds like the haters on my live streams. Jdun sucks. Jdun sucks. I'm sure he's just sitting there loving it. It's hilarious. I'm like, Jaden, as much as I want the Nuggets to win, I know how you feel, bro. and we got similar names, so I really know how you feel.
Was he just playing normal or what? I didn't see it.
No, we just that we have like Nuggets have beef with them because he's just an antagonizer. He likes to rile people up. It's actually pretty funny.
I bet you miss playing basketball watching them.
I do. I love it. I just love sports, man.
I used to love basketball, man. But I used to play it every day.
Yup. Yeah, the crowd's all chanting Jaden sucks. I'm like, damn. I'm not even trading right now when there's haters chanting that I suck.
Favorite Jdun's PTSD.
Yeah, can't even get a break from the live stream?
He ain't hot either. 6'7".
Nope. Can't go nowhere in public.
Alright, man. Hopefully we catch a trade before Tuesday.
I know. This is
Rain.
it's hard, like we're getting a little pullback, but we're still above point of control and literally right in the middle of the range, like right around where we opened today.
It'd have to be some crazy volume candle to get me to take a trade inside this range. So more than likely, I'm going to wait until we're outside the 15-minute range before I look for an entry. Let me know if you see something there.
No, you too. Just... I love messing with Brandon. One of my favorite activities. I hope we don't chop around either. We do have FOMC tomorrow, so it's very possible. DOD in a nutshell. DOD is following your plan, waiting for A+ setups only, trading smart, trading safe, staying focused, not blowing yourself up, not revenge trading, not tilt trading, not boredom trading, not trading because you feel like it, but because you have a systematic entry that warrants you to put risk on. And at the same time, after it warrants you to put risk on, you additionally manage your risk, visualize your risk, set your hard stop loss, and let your trade play out to your profit targets. In a nutshell, that's DOD. Welcome. Ooh, this looks like decent volume. We're breaking here. Let's see if we can get the next few candles a strong move below 15-minute low. Where's our midline at? Right here, 50%. All right. If we get a strong, now guys, if we get a strong candle here, then we can look for a potential 2-bar setup. If we get a strong 5-minute candle to the downside with rising volume, then we can look for a setup to the downside. Someone mentioned ES. Let's go check out ES too. We are breaking out of the orb. We'll see if we sustain it. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh boy, we might get it. Let's see, the high here is 148. So if we closed even right here, we might get the 2-bar. We'll see. The only problem is that if we take out pre-market low first, which I hope we don't do, our likelihood of winning that trade drops a bit. We got 1 minute and 15 seconds left on this candle, guys. 1 minute and 15 seconds left. Oh, please don't break through the pre-market low first. Please don't. I'm begging you, please do not redeem the pre-market low. Please do not redeem. Nasdaq, I am begging you, please do not redeem the pre-market low. You listened. Very good, Nasdaq. Very good, very good, very good. We got 10 seconds left on this candle. Right above the 15-minute low. Let's see if we can get a retrace up to like 110, maybe stops above like 146 for shorts. Retest back up, shorts in here, and then move down. The S&P got a nice move too. The S&P got a good move too. It's technically valid for a 2-bar as well. And we're below the 15-minute low there, so that actually looks decent.
Well, the move came, but it came all at once. Still there?
Yep, I'm here, just annoyed a tad bit. Not aggressively, but slightly annoyed.
We bounced this pre-market low.
Like kids spilled apple juice for the 3rd time after you politely asked not to do it. Not incredibly annoyed, but slightly. Not that big of a deal. However, you would have rather seen it go a different direction. Would rather that not happen first. But it did, and so you deal with it, and we'll move on. You gonna watch for shorts in this move back up?
Too much risk up there for me.
Yeah, I think I might try it if we get to like 110 area with stops above like 145, 146. It is risky. I mean, we're bouncing right near pre-market low and off this 15-minute low. There is risk on it.
Just rip up, touch point control, chop around some more.
Yep.
We'll see.
I want to see like 110. 100 might be it, but I want to see like 110 area.
Options? Are they crossing today? How they looking? Haven't looked.
Come on, a little higher. Got to 100. Technically, at that 50% retracement, there's just a little too much risk there. Just a tad bit too much risk for me taking it early. Especially if we end up like consolidating here and getting, we probably won't get a high volume close based on how it looks now, but I was going to say get a high volume close above these levels. Oh boy, come on. Oh. That's tough to, I mean, we don't have technically rising volume, but it's looking like it's going to be decent volume. I mean, it's on par with pretty much every candle we've had minus this and this. It's tough to short. Strong close, damn near touch pre-market low, closed above 15-minute low. It's just tough to short. Especially with the close up there. It's just tough. Close back above 100, right at 100, 102. Just don't love anything. Amir said, is this guy legit? Hey, chat and TikTok, if I helped you guys learn, level up, and make money, choose DOD. Wow. Oh, I spooked myself out again with that candle close. I spooked myself out again with that candle close. I touched 5 points from pre-market low, close above 15-minute low. So nope, psych. It's all right. Second trade today. If we would have wicked up on this first candle, though, I would have for sure tried that. Like, for show, for show. I'm looking for shorts right now. Looking for shorts, but it just, that candle spooked me out there on that 110 area reject. That was the only area I was watching, and we had this 5-minute, not rising volume, but also pretty significant volume candle up. Full body, almost no drawdown. Now it looks like it almost wants to go and flush those lows. I'm joining the DOD movement. I just blew my accounts this morning because I was chasing too much. Welcome to the team. Prepare to have your life changed. Prepare to see your trading take a change for the better. I mean, so far it would have been like 1-to-1 from 110 top tick down to 70. Just spooked me with that last candle. We also have FOMC tomorrow. Guys, if grown men come in here and troll or hate, it's better for us to pray for them. I mean, you have to be really sad as a grown man to join another grown man's live stream and come troll and cause drama. So just remember, that's a personal problem for them. We're here to make money. And, you know, we should hope for a better life and a more peaceful life for them. Because you only get one life, man. Life's short. Trading's hard as is. Yeah, welcome. I mean, it's the same people who like to hate come in every day, and there's a reason for it. They probably need help with their DOD too. Lucky for them, I got their back. Yeah, I'll probably quite never understand it, but maybe I'm not supposed to. Oh, all right. Technically speaking, we could look for a pullback. This is 15-minute with stops above like 113. You'd have to see a pretty aggressive flush below pre-market low. Man, that sucks. Another 60-point trade that I got spooked out on. Bias remains undefeated, but bias don't get us paid. Bias don't pay the bills. Execution does. So I can say, oh, I thought this or I said that, but if you don't execute, it don't matter. Man. Again. I think I might need to. I'll stick around for like 20, 30 minutes, but I don't want to force or try a third trade and have it go wrong after two misses on hesitation. Here and here. That's typical when I find myself extra frustrated is when I see 2 or 3 trades or whatever that fit what I like, fit my system, and then I miss them, then I try a trade and I lose. Like that's when I get very irritated. On the bright side, called again the 50% retracement. It's a cheat code. It's a cheat code. On the bright side, you guys saw 2 decent setups that you can use for the future. On the downside is I did not execute on them. Let's see. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 bar. If we close outside, we could. If we close down with strength, for sure can look for a 2 bar. Could also potentially look for a reversal. We sweep pre-market low. Say we get a strong close above 15-minute low. I'd look for a retest down and then move up with stops below like 25 or 27,013. Definitely not opposed to that if it plays out for sure. Now I'm annoyed like there's milk on the sofa. Yeah. All right. Let's see. There's one more potential setup for hope. Yeah, 15 seconds on this candle. If we close below, we can look for a retest back up. It's at almost at this point, Rhett.
I'm starting some shorts here.
You're starting them down here.
Yeah, I'm starting shorts here, everyone. Right in this area, keeping my stop. 62.
All right.
Trade.
Hope it prints for you, bro. Volume looks good.
Yeah, this is the only opportunities I've had to enter. Not
It's just like a pullback up to like 40, maybe 50.
oh no, it's gonna get my stop. That's a violent move back up. We're still in, everyone. If it breaks above this previous candle, I will be out.
I'm gonna try a piece of shorts on this move up too.
Oh, trust it now, this crazy candle.
Yep, I tried the shorts on this move up, guys. Small piece, left room to add as well.
My average is in the 30s, everyone now. So heads up. Stop remains the same.
I'd rather see like 60 to 70. But I did add. This is the add area, guys. This is what I like here. Or if you want a little higher or a little less risk, then you can look at like 60 to 70 with stops at like let's say 103. I'm in the shorts, guys. In the shorts. I'm in. I did try the shorts. This is the main area I liked, guys. The 60 to 70. Stops at like could even say like 100, I guess. Like technically 103. This is the area, guys. This is the better add area, guys, for shorts with stops above like 100. You have your 15-minute low here. If we go back above this 100 area, it's no longer valid. Or if we close strong with higher volume up here, I will close early as well. I am in the shorts. I did try the shorts, everybody. I have a hard stop at 103 right now. If we close this candle strong, we have 2 minutes left on it. I potentially will stop it early if we close back above this 15-minute high, but I am in the shorts. This is the main out area up here. I'd like to see us reject this and move down. However, if we close this above our pre-market low and above 15-minute low, I'll stop it early for a loss. But I'm still in. This is the main out area, guys. Come on. A little more risk than I'd like on this at 103 so far. So I'd like to see us push down like below 30 for any sort of trim. This is the main out area though, like those 60 to 70. Stops at 103. If we get a 103, I'll get hard stopped. It's going to do exactly what I said. Go have two nice entries for me. Miss them both. Try this third one, and then it's going to stop me out. If we close this candle strong up here above, I'm going to stop this, guys, at 90. I stopped it early, guys. Before 103, I stopped it early for a loss. I stopped it early. I stopped it early. I stopped it early for a loss, everybody. We closed above that, so I stopped it early for a loss. Now I'm major annoyed. All right. We pull back. I'm ripping the longs full size. If we pull back into this pre-market low, 15-minute low right here, around like 60, we're ripping the longs full size.
Yeah, that's a long trade.
Yep. Full size longs. I'm talking full size, full risk on. I'm halfway to my maximum loss limit. If we go full to it, we will walk away. We don't break that rule. That's a hard rule. We don't break the maximum loss limit. That's annoying. So we wait. If we get a pull back down to here, rip the longs full risk. If we don't, then I'll just take my L and move on for the day. No in between.
The trade that we took, though, it looked good. I would take it again.
It was great.
Oh, Iran just announced the peace proposal. That's what it was.
We had news.
Yes. Right when we got into the trade.
Of course. Yep, we'll look for a pullback down to here, 15-minute low, a pre-market low for long, stops below 15. And that's my last trade I'll watch for today. Move down, move up. Besides that, I got nothing.
What's the chances of news dropping if I waited all morning on that setup? As soon as I get in.
News. Of course, we had news, right? Does that happen? Let's see. Let's see if we're going to pull back down here to this low right here, like 50 to 70 area for longs. Full risk on, full size will be happening with stops below 14. If we don't get that, I don't take a trade, though.
I like longs down here.
I do too.
Just don't know if they're just going to fade that news candle.
Yep. I'm willing to try it. We get down to my ad area. I'll try it. I will 100% try it. What do you mean it's not DOD? What are you talking about? We get that. I'm going full size at 50. If we don't get that pullback, I will not trade unless we see another setup. Solid. We reclaim pre-market low, 15-minute low. Now we have to see a retracement back down and move up. Otherwise, I will not be taking a trade. Being said, if we do get it, I'll go full size. The only way I go full size is if we get our A+ setup. Man, that's so annoying. News. The second again in the trade, we get a news candle about Iran. So annoying. I mean, you might have gotten smoked. I wouldn't consider a loss smoked. If you oversized, then you probably got smoked, and that's your fault. I mean, even my quote-unquote getting smoked, I have a maximum loss limit for the day. So if I hit my 2,500, I'm just done for the day. Typically around 2K. If I lose over 2K, I'm just done for the day. Come back for the next day. Could try longs here, but again, it doesn't fit my plan. I want to see us move down to my my retracement. Otherwise, I won't take the trade. I also, there's a possibility that we sell off that news candle. It's definitely an option. Iran proposed the new peace plan or something. Literally the second got in those shorts, just nuked. That's why you saw that aggressive volume there. Only thing that concerns me is the potential to sell off this news candle. You will see that happen sometimes. I want to see us come down, touch, and wake up. This candle's a little concerning too, right here. Oh, 2 trades that should have been bangers, then a third trade that we get news on. That's ultimate level frustrating. Oh, whoops. All right, let's see how we react in here, guys. See how we react in here. I've not taken the trade yet. Waiting to see how our reaction looks. I don't want to get caught in selling off this news candle and seeing it flush to the downside. So I'd like to see us come down, test, and see some strength come back up. On that move back up is when I'd take the longs. What do we still have? There we go. Just waiting. Iran to submit a proposal soon. That was the news. Well, that's how you know, too, is like when you have that aggressive move up with higher volume, especially to the upside, this is almost always in this market news. Just waiting, guys. Waiting to see how we react. I don't want to have us sell off this news candle and then get caught to the downside. I'd like to see us come test down here, wick back up, show some strength there, and then I'll try it. Until that happens, I'm not going to try it. All right, starting to look good. Starting to look good a little more. Staying patient, staying patient, staying patient. We got 1 more minute on this 5-minute candle. We got 1 more minute on this 5-minute candle. I like the 50K pro accounts for Lucid. All right, let's see. Oh, I just really don't want us to sell off this news candle and get caught in that. Because then I'll be ultra annoyed. Still waiting. Still waiting. Let's see. 15. It's at 50. I'm just not fully confident in it yet, man. Like these first two, this setup was fire. This setup was fire. This looks okay. Looks decent. I just hate selling. I hate trying to fade those one-off candles, especially with all the wicks we've had. I am currently red on the day. Currently red. I gotta update this. Unfortunately, I choose just crash out and revenge trade one time. No. This is looking good though. I'd love to see a higher volume reversal. Let's crash out and revenge trade. I shouldn't, man. Doesn't work out well long term. You shouldn't either. I did not take it. No. You would know if I took it because I would have said it. But I did not take it. I'd like to see us with a strong 5 minute, some sort of confirmation. Because all that's holding us right now is, yeah, we're above pre-market low, but we keep wavering back and forth at 15-minute low. I think there's a high possibility if we do break this channel down, it's aggressive. So we'll see. I don't care about one day though. That's what a lot of new people don't get on this stream is I don't care about how one day goes or even how a week goes. If I miss a move up or down once or twice or 5 times, it don't matter long term. I'm in this game from a year's perspective. However, I am annoyed right now. So I'm aware of that, and so I'm trying to be cautious. Definitely am annoyed for sure. %100% am choosing DOD being cautious given how this action has been. I think it looks decent for a test at longs at like 70 with Stops have to be below like 30. The volume wasn't great on this either. Go down to the 70 area. I'm looking for one more potential attempt at longs. I'm with stops below like 30. I don't love it, but I think it looks okay. I'll let you guys know when I click enter. My finger's on the trigger. Wait, what the? All right, tested a small piece of longs, guys. I don't know why it didn't give me a super weird message there. What the heck? Tested the longs down there. Did try a piece of the longs. I am not full size. I'm being smart. But I did try the longs down there. Did try the longs. I'd like to see us break above this 100 area. It's thinking about it. Come on. Push it up, baby. Push it up. Come on. I want to see like 120. Ideally. There we go. So far, so good. Yep. I didn't get that great of a fill. I got in at like 70, like 78. Like 20 points so far. I wanted to get in at like 70, but come on. Come on. Push it up. I have my worst case scenario stops at 33. I'd like to ideally get a move up, get a trim, and then move my stops to like 68. But so far, it shows you have the right idea. Come on. It's about 20 points right here. Well, was. We're having a really hard time with this 100 area. If we break through it, we should see a nice move up. Even if this trade doesn't work out, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the fact that we're trying to move up so far. I'd like to see a move higher. I'd like to see him up to this like 120. But we got 20 points so far. I just need to see higher. If we close weak again, I'm open to closing it early and calling it a day. But I needed more than 20 points, guys. I'm not going to sell for pennies when there's potentially higher risk involved there. If we don't get the volume here, come on, push it up. Not a lot of volume there. Actually makes a lot more sense to have my risk below that trend setting candle at like 50, but we'll see how it plays. Setup looked good. We got the wick up. That's what I wanted to see. I'd like to see some continuation up, but at least if we don't get it, it initially went into the direction. So we'll see. Gonna keep my plan in place. If I lose, I will be done for the day, everybody. Frustrating day indeed. It's back around break even here. Everybody back around, or just below break even now. Got 20 points earlier, but simply just not enough for me. Not enough for me. Needed like 30 to 40 points. 20 was not enough. I don't like at all, even a little, how we rejected this again. We got the initial push up here to like 103. Now we're just coming down. So I'm not gonna add anything. I'm getting off. If this stops me out, I'm getting off. I'm frustrated. I'm gonna be annoyed. And before I do something stupid, I'm just gonna close out. We were up. It was up 20 points. It just actually was up over 20 points. It just wasn't enough as far as risk reward. Wanted more. It's not even so much losing a trade that annoys me. It's the fact that that first trade I just hesitated on. Second one hesitated on. Both printed, and then the third one gets a news candle, and fourth is just not working out. We'll see. Stops are in place. Stops are in place. Right below that pre-market low. Oh, whoops. It's honestly not looking great in the 1 minute, guys. There's a good chance this does not work out. But my stops are set, and I'm going to let it follow. I'm going to let it go to plan. I'm not going to move my stops. Though I'd give this trade probably a 30% probability of working out. Especially if we break this, we probably see an aggressive move down. This is kind of our final area. If we break this, we likely see move down to that pre-market low. This trade probably has about a 20% chance of working out now. If we close this candle right here weak with higher volume, I will close it early, guys. Just letting you guys know. If we close below the 15-minute low with full body, let's see here. We have 30 more seconds. I'll likely just close it early. I mean, it invalidates it. That's what I'm saying. It's not even the extra risk. It just invalidates it. If you have a high volume candle, it invalidates the previous setup. So full body to the downside. Like, whole setup is invalidated now. Whole setup is invalidated now. It could work, but I mean, there's almost it's almost guaranteed going to low day now, I would say, if I had to put my money on it. Whole setup is invalidated. I haven't moved my stop yet, but the setup isn't validated. We likely get stopped out now. And I'm going to get off for the day because I'm highly annoyed before I do something stupid. Nope, nothing, literally nothing's on my mind. I'm doing great. I'm annoyed with losing a trade after 2 good ideas this morning, but this is what it is. Just annoyed, and I'm going to get off for the day once this gets stopped out. We'll see. I'm still in this. Still letting it chill. Stops are below that low. Stops are in place. We're just going to let it chill. It's either going to stop me out of my planned place or maybe it catches a miracle. It's very unlikely that we get the move back up. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. The whole setup's invalidated. I'm keeping my plan in place because that's what I promised myself I was going to do, but it's almost guaranteed that we go to low a day now. I mean, just look at the 5-minute chart. That tells the whole story. Tells the whole story. VPA don't lie. If it invalidates, it invalidates for a reason. But I'm following my plan. I'm keeping my stops in place. I'm following the plan. She's in DOD. Once this stops me out, if it does, I am going to be off for the day, guys. I'm going to take my 0 for 2 and move on for the day. If it stops me out, which based on VPA, it's getting close. Based on VPA, it's getting close. It's hanging on by a thread at 33. Any minute now, it likely does. I'm just being real. You look at this 5-minute chart, it invalidates that setup, closes below the 15-minute low. I mean, if I wasn't in a trade, I'd be looking for downside. I'm keeping my plan because that's what I promised myself I was going to do. But is what it is. It's either going to hit, move back up, or it's going to stop me out. If it does stop me out, then I move on with my day. Exact stops at the low of that candle. I guess it's 30. 27030.5 to be exact. Should have it put here too. 27030.5. There we go. It is what it is. We're going to follow our plan. I will be done for the day. If this goes and stops out, which I think it more than likely will, just being honest with everybody here. This looks like a clear downside setup. It invalidated that previous upside. And I'm going to be done for the day after that. Come back strong tomorrow. As bad as I want to find another trade and take this downside, I'm going to be done if this goes and stops me. I'm going to be done. I'm going to be done if it stops me. It's on freaking hospice right now. No, I'm not going to find a new trade. I'm going to be done. Missed 2 trades this morning, and it. All right, I'm done for the day. Stop me out. I'm going to get off before I do something stupid. Goodbye, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe. Choose DOD. I'm going to end my trading day here before I do something stupid. So, all right, y'all. Bye.